Hello students, in this video we are going to practice some programs based on library classes chapter. So write a program to input a character. So that is your first step. You have to accept a character from the user. So first I am going to give that system.out.println, enter a character. I am accepting that using ch character data type variable. What is the format for accepting a character? In dot next char at, so that it will accept the first position. That means they will accept the character and store it in which variable? Ch variable. Okay, your first step is over. Then second step is convert character into integer to increment by 10. So your question is display the next 10th character. For example, if you are giving capital A, the next 10th character means capital K. So you have to display in character form. But if you want to increment something, it should be in integer form. You can't increment any string type or you can't increment any character forms. You can increment only integer types. So that in second step, I am going to convert that character into integer. Then only I can increment by 10. So I am going to do that. I am using an integer variable d. And I am converting this ch which I accepted from the user and increment it by 10. Okay, so result will be a integer value, but we have to display a character, 10th character. So again I am going to convert this digit into character. So I got this d and again I am going to convert here in another variable. Going to convert D into character type and I'm storing it in new character data type variable ch1 so that I can display ch1 now. So in next step, inside this I can print ch1 variable. So we'll compile. So is after a 10th character is K. So this is your output. So first write the steps whatever you want and you should be careful in what all steps you have to convert a character into integer and from integer to character. That should be aware. If you want to increase some value, you have to convert this character type into integer type. And if you have to display it in character form, you have to again convert that digit into character type. Okay, next program is write a program to input a character. So the first step is accept a character from the user. So I have already given here. And next, display next 5 characters. So if I am giving capital A, I should display capital B, C, D, E, F. Till 5 characters, you need to increment the value one by one. So if I want to increment the value one by one, I need a counter variable. So I am choosing here for loop. So inside for loop, I can give from 1 to 5. From B to F. That means next 5 characters I can take it from 1 to 5. So I need a for loop here. And third step is I need to increment the counter variable. Means from 1 to 5, first time the counter variable will be 1, second time counter variable will be 2, till 5 you have to do that. And convert the character into integer type. Then only we can increment the counter variable one by one. So you have to convert the character into integer. And next step, you have to display in character form. So again, I am going to convert those integers into characters and then I will display. So the first step is over, and second step I'm going to give for loop here. I'm going to declare I here. So I value from 1 to 5. 5 characters I have to display. So each time I value should be incremented. So inside this I need to convert the entered character into integer. I'm going to convert using integer data type. Variable name is D. Th means the character which the user entered. I'm going to convert using explicit type conversion plus I. So that I value will be incremented each time. First I value will be 1. Next time I value will be 2. Till 5 I value will be incremented. And after this again I want to convert this integer data type to character data type. Then only I can display the characters. So again I'm going to declare one more variable. I'm going to convert my integer data type variable into character type. And the ch1 that I am going to display. We'll see the output. Enter a character, capital A. So from B to F I have displayed. Okay. So if this is not clear, you can give one more printing statement like after this you can print next 5 characters are. This statement you can give so that output will be more clear. So this, I think this is better than that one, because if you can see the next 5 characters, this printing statement, you will be understanding this output more easier. So this is the output. So next program is write a program to generate all the alternate letters in the range of letters from capital A to capital Z. So I don't want any character from the user. I don't want to accept any values and store. So that I don't want any scanner class statement, and also util package is also I don't want. So just I am going to display capital from capital A to Z, but one condition is there, alternate letters. That means if you display first by capital A, then next character should be capital C. Then after that, next character should be capital E. So alternate letters it should be displayed. Okay, so I need to increment the value by 2. Then only I can, after capital A, I can display capital C. So I'm going to increment, so that I need to convert the character type into integer type. So for that, I'm using the 65 to 90 in a for loop. Okay, so the counter variable should be from 65 to 90 inside the for loop, and increment the counter variable by 2. Then finally we can convert those incremented value into character value. Okay, so first I'm going to give for loop. So I'm taking I as counter variable from 65, that means capital A, up to capital Z. I'm going to increment the counter variable by 2, that means I plus 2, and inside the for loop I'm going to convert the integer type, that means I'm going to convert the counter variable into character type. So I'm going to use a character data type here. What I'm going to convert? I. That means integer data type. Then next time I'm going to print the value in character variable that is called as ch. So from capital A to Z only alternate letters I displayed. Okay, so this is your output. So when you see any program like this, I always used to say write the statements or write the steps first, then you can slowly convert that into Java coding.